Pour in. Pour in. Add a liquid to a container. Pour in the milk slowly while stirring. She pours in the wine for the sauce. Fry up. Fry up. Cook something in hot oil or fat. I'll fry up the fish for dinner. She fries up the potatoes until golden brown. Add in. Add in. Include or put something into a mixture. Add in the chopped onions now. Add in the spices after the sauce simmers. Peel off. Peel off. Remove the outer skin or covering of a fruit or vegetable. Peel off the skin from the apples. She peels off the potato skins. Beat up. Beat up. Mix something vigorously. Beat up the eggs until they are frothy. Beat up the batter for 5 minutes. Bring to a boil. Bring to a boil. Heat a liquid until it reaches boiling point. Bring the soup to a boil before adding the vegetables. The chef will bring the sauce to a boil for a few minutes. Chop up. Chop up. Cut into small pieces. Chop up the vegetables finely for the salad. Chop up the nuts for the dessert. Cook down. Cook down. Simmer or reduce the volume of a liquid. You need to cook down the sauce until it thickens. Cook down the fruit to make a jam. Cut off. Cut off. Remove a specific part from something. Cut off the excess fat from the meat. Cut off the crusts from the bread slices. Dice up. Dice up. Cut into small cubes. Dice up the tomatoes for the salsa. Dice up the chicken for the curry. Heat up. Heat up. Make something warmer, usually by using a stove or microwave. Heat up the soup before serving. She heats up the leftovers for lunch. Knead in. Knead in. Work dough until it's smooth and elastic. Knead in the flour until the dough is smooth. She kneads in the yeast for the bread. Lay out. Lay out. Arrange items on a surface, often in preparation for cooking. Lay out the ingredients before starting. She lays out the utensils for the barbecue. Mix in. Mix in. Combine ingredients together. Mix in the cheese until melted. She mixes in the flour gradually. Put together. Put together. Assemble ingredients or components for a dish. Put together the ingredients for the salad. She puts together the spices for the curry. Roll out. Roll out. Flatten dough with a rolling pin to a desired thickness. Roll out the pastry for the pie. She rolls out the dough for the pizza. Set aside. Set aside. Reserve or keep something for later use. Set aside a cup of broth for the sauce. She sets aside some batter for the pancakes. Simmer down. Simmer down. Cook something gently just below boiling point. Simmer down the sauce for about 15 minutes. She simmers down the stew until it thickens. Slice up. Slice up. Cut into thin, broad pieces. Slice up the apples for the pie. She slices up the ham for sandwiches. Stir in. Stir in. Mix an ingredient with another by stirring. Stir in the cream until well blended. She stirs in the vanilla essence. Take off. Take off. Remove something from heat or from a surface. Take off the cookies from the baking sheet. She takes off the lid from the pot. Tear apart. Tear apart. Pull something into pieces with hands or utensils. Tear apart the lettuce for the salad. She tears apart the bread for breadcrumbs. Thicken up. Thicken up. Make a mixture denser or more viscous. Thicken up the sauce with a roux. She thickens up the gravy with cornstarch. Toss together. Toss together. Mix various ingredients together casually. Toss together the salad ingredients. She tosses together the pasta and sauce. Whip up. Whip up. Quickly make or prepare something, usually a meal or dish. Whip up a quick dessert for the party. She whips up a delicious breakfast. Work in. Work in. Mix an ingredient thoroughly into a mixture. Work in the butter until fully incorporated. She works in the eggs for the batter. Zest up. Zest up. Grate the outer peel of a citrus fruit. Zest up the lemon for the cake. She zests up the orange for the sauce. Blend in. Blend in. Mix different substances together thoroughly. Blend in the flour to the wet mixture. She blends in the spices for the marinade. Sprinkle on. Sprinkle on. Add a small amount of something by scattering it lightly over a surface. Sprinkle on the chocolate chips on the cookie dough. She sprinkles on the herbs for garnish. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell button for more videos.